Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a Ledger Nano X. First, open the Ledger Live app, tap the purple transfer icon in the middle. Select Receive where it says Receive crypto from another wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Then copy your wallet address for that coin. Next, open the Robinhood app and go to the crypto you want to send. For example, Solana. Scroll down and tap Send. Select Enter manually at the bottom. Paste the wallet address you copied from Ledger Live and tap Continue. Choose how much you want to transfer. When it asks where this crypto going, select Myself if it's going to your ledger. Review your transaction details and tap Submit. You may need to enter a verification code for security. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to a Ledger Nano X. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.